Hi friends, my name is Harshada Kishore Valle. I have completed BE in Keystone School of Engineering through Pune University in 2021. Today's Viva topic is exceptions of an handling, and today's date is 10th of January 2022. First of all, what is meant by an exceptions of an handling? The exceptions of an handling is the one of the powerful of an mechanisms that can be executes of the runtimes of the error. On this open application is the normal of an programming and use of the normal of the programming. So it is the use of the exceptions upon handling. Today we will discuss about what is meant by exceptions in Java, what is meant by exceptions in Java of handling, say what is the types of the what is meant by check of exception, say unchecks of the exception, say. First of all, what is meant by exceptions in Java? The exceptions in Java means of the exceptions in Java means of the it's the abnormal of the conditions, and the normal conditions of the program can be distributed, say. So it is called as the exceptions of the handling, say. Exceptions in Java. And exceptions in Java, for examples of an IOE of an exception, say remote of the exception, say then SQL of an exception, say is use of an exceptions in Java. What is meant by an exceptions handling in Java? The exceptions of an handling is the one of the powerful of mechanism, say that use of the runtimes of the error can be of handle, say. So it is called as an exceptions handling in Java. For example of an arithmetical of an exception, say then it is in an runtimes of the exception, say then it is in an null pointers of an index exception, say index bound of the exception, say is use of the exceptions of an handling, say. After that, what is the types of exceptions in handling, say? Basically there are two types, say. First one is the check of an exception, say, and second one is the unchecks of the exception, say. But on the basis of an oracle there are three of the types, say. They have check of an exception, say, and the unchecks of an exception, say, and third one it is in an error. But error is the recoverable use of the exceptions of handling, say. So it is in an abnormal of the type, say. The first one is the check of the exceptions, say. The check of exceptions means of is the directly inherits of the exceptions, directly inherits of the runtimes of an error. So it is called as a check of the exception, say. The check of an exceptions is the, for example of an IOE of an exception, say SQL of an exception, say, and remote of the exception, say. And the second type is the unchecks of the exceptions, say. The unchecks of the exceptions means unchecks of the exceptions means of is the direct inherits of the it is the inherits of the runtimes of the error, say. So it is called as an unchecks of the exception, say. And for examples of is the arithmetical of an exception, say, then it is in an index bound of the exception, say, then SQL it is in an null pointers of an exception, say is use of an unchecks of the exception, say. After that there are 5 keywords in use in an exceptions in an handling, say. The first keyword is the try of a keyword, say. Second one it is in a catch of a keyword, say. Third one it is in an finally of a keyword, say. Fourth one it is in a throw of a keyword, say. And fifth one it is in a throws of a keyword, say. After we will discuss about one by one of a keyword, say. First one it is in a try of a keyword, say. The try of a keywords is used in an exceptions of an handling, say. And the try of a block can be returns of the executes of the code of an exceptions of an handling, say. and try of the open and try of the open keyword say is cannot be open it is cannot be of the open alone say it is in an followed by either axis of the open it is the either axis of the it is the either axis of the open catch of the catch or the finally of the open keyword say the catch of the open keywords. The catch of any keywords can be executing of the open runtimes of the open errors. So use of the open catch of the open keywords. The catch of the open keywords can be accessible of any finally open keywords. Then second one it is in a finally open keywords. The finally open keywords can be used of any runtimes of the open errors. Either code it is in an executables or the not, then it is also up, but finally open keywords can be open of an accessible. The fourth one it is in an throw. The throw upon open keywords is use of the open throw upon open programs. And throws open keywords is use of an open it is the use of an throws of the open runtimes of the open errors so use open in this open 5 open keywords in exceptions open handling that's all thank you.